Hello everyone, welcome to Sundance. Today I'm going to do comparison between these two cameras. This one is ThiEYE i60 Plus and this one is GoPro Hero 4. Okay, the difference is this one is a bit heavy. Yes, a bit heavy. Next is this one is a little lighter. Cheap fueling. Yes, it's really cheap fueling. Okay, later I'm going to do a comparison, a video inside the elevators in the few moments left. Okay, here's the specs is it can record at 4K at 15 frames per second, and also they have dual displays. Oh, this one is touchscreen and this one is don't have dual displays. Yes, looks like this. And this one can record at 4K at 30 frames per second. Okay, I'm going to turn on both of them. Go. Okay. Okay, here's the touchscreen that I mentioned for the GoPro Hero 4. Here's the normal setting I normally use. Full HD at 60 frames per second. Use wide angle, low light. Yes, this I turn on the Pro tune. Go back. And here's the normal setting for this camera. Yes, I use this my normal setting for the ThiEYE 1080 at 60 frames per second. This one I need to turn on the voice recording. (20 megapixel camera, normal exposure. This the another settings for date and time, language, format, and reset to factory settings, and exit. Okay, let's go to film and elevators with these two cameras. Here we go. Today I'm going to do a video comparison between ThiEYE i60 Plus and GoPro Hero 4. Okay, here we go. I'm going to take this elevator to 12th floor. Okay, let's take another elevator. Slow. Slow. Go. To the last floor. To the last floor. Okay. Okay. Let's go down to 1. Go down to 1. Okay. Here you go. Okay. Now let's take the cat wheel forward. Let's take the cat wheel forward. Here's the cat wheel and elevator. Here's the cat wheel and elevator. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.